Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare turnip kurma for puri and chapati. Let's make the masala for kurma. Take 3 cloves and 2 elaichi, 1 medium sized onion, few coconut pieces, 4 green chilies, adjust it as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It gives a good taste to your kurma. Add 11 badam pieces. I have soaked and peeled the skin. I prefer to add badam instead of cashew as badam has many health benefits. Now grind it into a fine paste. Add water as per your need. Don't add too much of water. It may lose the consistency of our kurma. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 bay leaf and 1 small sized chopped onions. Make sure that it is finely chopped. Add some mint leaves, it gives a good flavor. Fry them until it is golden brown. Now let's add the grinded paste. Just saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. This is turnip. I bought this from online because it was not available in my nearby stores. Now let's add this chopped turnip. Let's know the benefits of turnip. It lowers the blood pressure, helps to improve eyesight, boost immune system. Add 1 cup of green peas. It's optional. Let's know the benefits of green peas. Peas are loaded with fiber and protein. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids found in peas. Peas lowers the risk of stomach cancer by 50%. Now let's saute them. Now add salt to taste. One tablespoon of dhaniya powder. Mix them up. Add 2 small cups of water. You don't need to add too much of water. Mix it up. Now let's pressure cooker it. For me, it almost took 15 minutes. Looks like our turnip and peas are cooked well. Now our turnip kurma is ready and looks yummy. Try this wonderful recipe at your home. You can serve this with a puri or chapati. Always eat healthy, stay healthy. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more recipes. Thank you.